Honestly speaking, there's nothing as annoying as having a bad phone, number one. Number two, a bad blender. And number three, a bad car. These three things can be so annoying and so frustrating. So guys, if you're just coming across my video for the first time, this is Obiju's Tutorials and Lifestyle. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share and comment. Our previous blender got spoiled, so we had to go for a new one because pounding cocoyam, or even there are many things one needs blender for, so we had to go for a new one. Getting to the market, what we had in mind was Buchi Mix blender. Yes, it's all over social media. They said it's the best blender. So what we had in mind was Buchi Mix blender, but the guy in the shop said that this particular blender is a very good blender, that the blender can blend anything. It can even blend stone, it can blend cocoyam, it can blend this, it can blend that. So after brainwashing us, we went for the blender, and let's see what this blender can do. So this tomato is worth 19,000 naira. Yes, I don't know how much is it in your side. Please tell me in the comment section. Is it expensive or cheap? Also, how much is it sold for where you live? So this is our second time using this blender. The first day of using this blender was when we used it in blending cocoyam, but it was a total mess. Like, it can't even blend cocoyam. The same blender that the guy told us can blend even stone cannot blend just cocoyam. Guys, guess what? This blender is expensive, even more expensive than our previous blender, yet it can't even blend cocoyam. And our previous blender can blend cocoyam. It can blend, like, it blends a lot. The only problem we had was that it got spoiled, so we had to go for a new one. Guess what this blender does? The things at the top will blend properly, but the ones at the bottom will not blend, and I don't even know why. Like, I don't even understand why it's like that. Well, I know most of you will say I did not stir it, but I stirred it. Most of you doubting Thomas will say I don't know how to use the blender, which is why we're going to use it together. Yes, to be honest with you, I don't know what Nigeria is turning into. One will buy something and still not get the value for his or her money. Why will you buy something expensive and yet you cannot get the value out of that thing? It's not nice, as in it's not fair. Guys, the worst of it is that this is Nigeria, and no matter the warranty or guarantee plan, you can't even return this blender. You have to just manage it like that, and it's so annoying. Like, this blender got us so upset. Like, it wasted our time and everything. The worst of it all is that we started cooking by 12 and then we finished cooking by 5 because we needed to make stew base to prep inside the freezer, but this blender wasted a whole lot of our time. To top it all, this thing makes a whole lot of noise. I'm not saying there shouldn't be any sound coming out of when blending, but this particular one is too much. Guys, as you can see, I'm done blending. Can you see how lumpy the tomato is? Well, I know most of you doubt, which is why we're going to do it together. So I've on it for the first time. Yes, my tomato is already in the blender jug, and I've on it for the first time. So this is the first time, right? So let's wait and see. So after on it, I'm going to turn it off, right, and wait for some seconds. Don't just say minutes, for some seconds, and then I'm going to turn it on again, which is making it a second time, and then I'll let it blend. After blending for some while, I'm going to turn it off again, this is the second time, right? So I'm going to turn it off again and then wait for some time before I'll on the blender, before I on it again, because as I'm blending, this thing is smelling. Like, I don't even know what the problem is. So I'm on it again. This is for the third time. I know most of you say, I did not blend it, I only blended it once, which is why I'm showing you. This is the third time, and then I'm going to turn it off. I'm going to turn it off again, and then I'll blend it once more, so making it the fourth time. So I'm going to turn on the blender again. So this is the fourth time, right? So let's see if it's going to blend smoothly. So it's time to open the jug and then pour it into the bag you're seeing in the screen, right? So I'm actually pouring it into this place so that it could drain water. So guys, as you can see, it's still lumpy. When I say it, most people say that you did not blend it well. We blended it for 4 times now, and look at it's still lumpy. But our previous blender just once, and it's smooth. Like, I don't even know. Just look at something as common as tomato. This thing can't even blend, not to talk of cocoyam. On the day we blended cocoyam, it was a total mess. Like, honestly speaking, just look at it, can't even blend tomato. Like, this thing is so annoying. That's why I told you guys that there's nothing as annoying as buying a bad blender or even having a bad phone or a bad card. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.